Yeah, okay. So this is the wrap up for the live market open on Monday, November 2nd. The first day of the new month brings lots of excitement. We have lots of action coming up this week and already today. So previous data we had was some better than expected data in the Eurozone, didn't help the Euro too much. Lots of US data didn't move markets. And then we had Chinese PMIs. That was actually surprising because we had better than expected data from the private sector and worse data from the government number. So all in all, it's good news for the Australian dollar. I think it's the biggest market mover so far this week. So we see the Aussie dollar recover within range. 70.64 is the low, 72 is resistance above. Today we have coming up Eurozone final manufacturing PMIs, the UK manufacturing PMI, which is more important. We're expecting to see more of the same there, but any small surprise can move markets. The range is 155 on the top side to 153.70 on the downside. We'll have that just after the show. At 3 GMT, the main event for the day, ISM Manufacturing PMI. It's expected to be exactly at 50 points, exactly on the borderline between contraction and expansion. So this is a key event for the US dollar across the board. So if we look, for instance, at euro dollar, it's now entrenched well within the range 110.30, 110.28, 110 to 110.70 is the narrow range, above 111.30, and on the downside 109 and 108.10. Okay, we have the big event for tomorrow is tomorrow morning, the Australian rate decision. Most expect no hike, but it's very unclear what will happen. It's definitely a market moving event. We'll talk about that tomorrow. If we have a rate cut, Aussie negative, no rate cut. It depends on the statement. An upbeat statement, Aussie positive. If they complain about the exchange rate, it's more or less neutral. Okay. We have dollar yen clinging to just above 120, a bit above, but not going too far. 118 to 121.50 is the wider range. Dollar CAD around 131, now rising a bit. Let's see if oil prices fall. I think the rise was unjustified. And Kiwi dollar 67.50, supported 67, 66.15, and 68 and 69 are resistance line. So all in all, we have very small gaps. Now all eyes are on the ISM on this ISM manufacturing PMI, on the Australian rate decision. This week, of course, we have the non-farm payrolls, and we have the first event for today. The build-up begins today with the ISM manufacturing PMI. So if nobody has any more questions, I want to thank everybody for the show. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the questions. This is what makes the show what it is. Looking forward to see you all tomorrow. Don't worry, those gaps are not that big. I believe that we'll forget about those gaps quite quickly, and because we have really important events down the line. All important non-farm payrolls is the big event for this week. Okay, so thank you everybody for coming to the show, and wish everybody success in their trading day, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.